If you do buy a home, are you worried about the maintenance and upkeep once you buy? I've got an option for you that you may not know about, and that's coming up. Hey, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area, right here on the Florida Suncoast. I do hope these 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. Whether you become a customer, a client, a friend, or even if we never ever meet, if just one video helps you, I've accomplished my goal. So hit the subscribe button, subscribe below, and check out the videos as well. There's over 100 topics for you to choose from. Now back to our question. If you do buy a home, are you worried about the maintenance and upkeep once you buy? It's a fair question. Here's an option you may not know about. It's not new, it's been around for a while. If you get a new construction home, many builders have warranties that cover plumbing, electrical, HVAC systems for a set period of time. Some can be up to 10 years. It's pretty crazy. The stuff is all brand new anyway. Yeah, so it should be in pretty good shape. But if something does pop up, the warranty may cover it for you for up to 10 years. But home warranties aren't just for new construction. That's right, you can get one too. With existing homes, we can see if a seller is willing to add a home warranty to the contract for you. Not all sellers will do it, but I can help negotiate and try to make it happen for you. Pretty easy, actually. That way, with a home warranty, you've got peace of mind for any big repairs that may come up. And for something as simple as a dishwasher breaking down, for crying out loud. Happens all the time. If you're thinking about buying a home on the Florida Suncoast, the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area, on or near the beaches, we can help. Hit the button, subscribe to the channel below, or call us anytime at 855-MR-BEACH. Remember, when you know the market, getting your best deal can be child's play, and it makes it kind of fun. Check out homes for sale right now on or near the beach at MrBeachHouse.com.